What's the meaning of CFE? CFE. CFE.
CFE. CFE. CFE stands for Common Firmware Environment. It is a bootloader used in many router and gateway devices to initialize hardware and load the operating system. CFE is typically stored in flash memory on the device and is executed when the device is powered on. The primary function of CFE is to provide a standardized interface between the firmware and the operating system, ensuring that the correct boot image is loaded and that the system is properly initialized. CFE is also responsible for managing system resources, such as memory and hardware peripherals. Overall, CFE is an essential component of many router and gateway devices, providing a reliable and consistent platform for running network services and applications.